In this tutorial, I'll show you how to control a black and white imported image's background and pattern colors. I'll show you the full nodes first. Previously, I have shown you how to control the hue and saturation to change the color of an imported image. By using this method, we can import any black and white images, and control two colors separately so they can be any colors. Please use any black and white pattern images. The original image that I have used looks like this. I'm using an add-on called the Node Wrangler that allowed me to press Ctrl+T to import an external image easily like this. This image has a bit of green in it, but by using the sophisticated nodes, we can separate the white background and control both colors. I'll remove this set of nodes, and show you how the sophisticated nodes were constructed. We need to add a mix shader and mix two default BSDF nodes like this. The second BSDF node controls the color of the patterns. The first BSDF has a lot more details, because it's used mostly to control the white background. We have invert, hue, and RGB curves nodes connected. And the RGB node is connected to the Node Wrangler-based image nodes. If the RGB node doesn't respond, please try disconnecting any nodes, reconnecting it to try again. I think this is a bug. Once we reconnect it or undo such action, then the RGB node will respond. If we don't use the invert node, then the white background is not affected by any changes that we make. This is why we must use the invert node to separate and only control the background color. The RGB node was added to control the details of the pattern, but it is hue and saturation node that controls the background color. Hue and saturation can also change the pattern colors like this, but I've connected it to use its value to change the background. I'll show you how that works. By using the RGB curves and the hue and saturation nodes, we can fully control any black and white based images. Let's take a look at the second hue and saturation node. The second one, along with a color ramp node, was connected to the BSDF materials metallic node. This is only optional, because it can be used to control the shape and color of the reflections. We can still control the metallic reflections, even if we don't use extra nodes. It's just that we can have more control over the shapes and colors of the reflections. Lastly, the first hue and saturation node is also connected to the BSDF nodes alpha. Just like the metallic node, the alpha node can be controlled without extra nodes easily. By using this set of nodes, we can fully customize the colors to create a full variations of colors from any black and white images. Please use this set of nodes on your future projects. I believe its potential is limitless. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.